Hey YouTube, what's happening? Indoor Tech here. Got another video for you, the Kodi add-on. Happy Independence Day. It's raining here in Virginia. This add-on is called Venom. Let's get it installed. First we go to Settings, System, Add-ons. Make sure unknown sources is turned on. Hit yes. Let's go back a screen. File manager. Add source. Click none. This is going to be the URL. https://123venom.github.io. Hit OK. I'll call it V. Makes it easier to find here. Hit OK. Let's go back to the home screen of our Kodi. Click add-ons. Click the open file box. Install from zip file. Hit V. Repository.venom 1.6. Might be a different version depending on when you see the video. Click on it. Wait for your notice in the upper right hand corner that Repo is installed. Hit install from repository. Venom Repo. Video add-ons. Venom. Click install. Some additional add-on dependencies it installs with it. Hit OK. Give it about a minute. Been away for a little bit. Haven't made any videos recently. Let's hit. I'll hit no on the YouTube setup. Let's get another little. There we go. Let's go back to our home screen. Venom. Some update notes. There we have it. Movies, TV shows, news and info, changelog. Alright guys, let me know what you think, how it works for you. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. We appreciate it. Have a great Independence Day.